Today I'm starting all the finishes to the restroom. Well, I think I have my work cut out for me. So for starters, I'm gonna work on this wall. This thing is smelly and has no texture and is generally hideous. This honestly has to be the most tedious part of the job. With patience, this is paid off every time. All right, I've done enough for the day. I'm going home. It's dinner time. See how Humberto's work is turning out. Ooh, baby, this looks good. Contractor left his phone here. Should we play some prank phone calls? Just kidding. Okay, on the to-do list today. Basically, everything has to be covered up that's not gonna be painted and textured. So, that's pretty much it. It's really dusty. I don't think anything's gonna stick to this. Clean it up. This looks nice and secure if I do say so myself. Okay, the floor's looking good too. All right, that's better. All right, and last but not least, this window. Finito. All done. Ready for paint and texture. I think the restroom's pretty much all taped up. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and stage everything that I'm gonna use for painting and texturing and leave it ready for tomorrow. It's day 3, and today I'm gonna spray texture and primer, which surprisingly involves a lot of heavy lifting. For example, this compressor. The heavy lifting continues. Kills is gonna kill the smell on these bathroom walls. ¿Quién es? Pásame el papel. The primer likes to separate, but nothing a quick mix won't fix. I could roll the paint on, but it's a lot funner to use the spray gun. It's time to pick up some joint compound and start texturing those walls. Today's day 4, and all I have to do is focus on the texture. Anything else is icing on the cakes. Nice, this turned out pretty good. So this is the original texture of the house. And we're trying to match what this room has, which is the knockdown. I have to make this into pancake batter consistency. It's a little thick right now. I'd say it's pretty much pancake batter consistency. Next up, I'm just gonna load it up into the hopper gun, hook up the compressor, and start spraying. All right, I'm gonna start knocking down this texture so that it matches the rest of the house. And to do that, I'm gonna use a wide spatula. I think it's dried perfectly. Perfect. It turned out pretty good. I like how it turned out. I think it matches it pretty closely. Now granted, this one's painted, so it's probably a little bit harder to tell, but I'm gonna start on the second restroom now that the contractor's finished up. The first thing I gotta do is just clear out the area. toilet's out. You can see the previous people didn't take it out when they wanted to paint. So we'll take care of that, don't worry guys. All right, repairs are all done. Not too many, fortunately. It's gonna come in sand tomorrow. That should conclude the repairs on the wall. Looks like everything's pretty much covered. I'm gonna start off with the skylight here. Pretty nasty, so I'm gonna go put on some PPE just because I don't know what that is and it's kind of gross. Oh God, this thing is nasty. I'm gonna go put some gloves on. Alright, so everything's ready for paint. I'm going to prime using a roller because it took forever to set up the paint gun. To clean it up was even worse. All right, today's setup, I'm actually using this anchor to power some lights. I'm just testing it out, see how it works. So it's actually strong enough to run the compressor too, but I'm not gonna do that because then I'll drain the whole thing before I'm done for the day. Let's get started with the paint. So I finished painting, we're all done. Textured, painted, primed, all of the above. A little bit got through, we'll clean that up. We finished really late last night and we were pretty much painting in the dark. Here in the natural light, it actually looks like I got everything. Sweet! Then in that case, all I gotta do is start putting everything back. So I started with a toilet ring, which was really gross. But it did come clean pretty good and I had to put in a lot of elbow grease, but eventually it came clean. I'm replacing the wax ring with this better than wax ring. So it's as simple as just dropping this in and that's it. Honestly, that felt too easy. Put the toilet on that and bolt it down. All right, we could probably get started on the master shower now. I gotta remove all the film, so let me do that here real quick. I got the toilet installed in both restrooms, all the film taken off, and a little bit of cleanup to do, but not much. So it's time to install the rest of the finishes, like this mirror. So we got this towel rack on Amazon. This is it. Let's see what it looks like. At least it comes with the hardware. Brackets is the top sheet. Nice, super straightforward. Let's try it out. All right, that looks great. So next up, let's change out this light switch to a more modern looking one. And then lastly, we'll install the light fixtures. I already opened this. I was actually gonna return them because they didn't fit, but after seeing my wife, after she looked at the product description carefully, you can actually install them in both directions. And it even said on the box that somehow I missed it. So we're gonna install them in the other direction so that it doesn't collide with the mirror. All right, looks pretty easy. All we gotta do, loosen the bracket, decorative nuts. Man, this This restroom looks way better than when we got a hold of it. I love it. It's looking great.